Hi, I'm Brock, and what if I told you we could go from 20 minutes of manual onboarding processes to 90 seconds of smooth automation? All right here, this is done in the Zendesk Help Center powered by our AWS Form Engine. Let me show you a quick diagram on how this all works. To start the journey off, in Form Engine, you're going to SSO log in to Zendesk and go to the onboarding article, which is embedded iframe. It'll load securely, it'll submit securely, and then it will create a ticket in Zendesk in that one pane view we all know and love. And then some users have approval processes, some don't, and it all comes down to joiner, mover, lever actions in your HRS integration using identity provider, and they all get a bundle of apps while onboarding called a birthright role. And then at the very end, ticket closes or there's a manual step. And then let's go right into the form demo. Once you get to the onboard users form, you're going to fill it out. Again, the role, this is the birthright role, just saying what bundle of apps they get. Make sure the email is unique. Make sure they start today, send it off, and we're kicking off the downstream events to provision all those accounts. If you want to do this for bulk, it'd be a real pain to have to submit that form one by one. So that's why we built the bulk user onboarding. So you can get a spreadsheet, paste in all your users, and then you're off to the races. Done. It can handle as many as you can put in there. The application request form. So when they don't get the birthright apps, maybe we want to remove Zoom and then add Box, and some apps need more information, so you fill that in, and they're going to get that Box folder, and that's a mover action. And then at the very end, here's the lever action, autofilling the name, picking the date, and then we're kicking off all of those revoke access policies and then also the data retention policies. Look, here's what it's all about. Managers don't need permission to get things done, and we're removing unnecessary gatekeeping. We have to stop accepting that's just the way IT works and start getting our time back. Thanks so much.